Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee, and today's recipe has come from the south of India, Kerala. I'm doing egg chili fry. So it's a different version of beef chili fry, but done with eggs, equally delicious. And let's get started. Let's heat some oil in a pan. A little generous because I need to fry a lot of stuff. Now, on the eggs, I'm just going to make some marks. Apply a little bit of haldi powder on the eggs, a little bit of chili powder. So what will happen is the eggs will get a beautiful color once it gets into the oil. So this goes into the oil. Can you see the egg has already got a nice tint? I'm going to take that egg out of the oil. Continue the recipe in the same oil. So adding shallots or sambar onion, lots of curry leaves, give it a good mix. I'll add some ginger and garlic paste to this, some black pepper powder, the remaining chili powder, haldi powder, and give it a good mix. I'll add a little bit of water so that the masalas don't catch. Add the eggs back in the pan. Add some slit green chillies and give it a good mix. Now the eggs should be nicely coated with masala, and my egg pepper fry is done. Looking yummy. Let me plate it up. तो ये लो आपके लिए रेडी है केरला स्टाइल एग चिली फ्राई, जिसको मैंने सर्व किया है मलाबरी पराठा के साथ। आप इसको ब्रेड के साथ भी खा सकते हो, कोई भी पराठा के साथ, ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है। डू ट्राई दिस रेसिपी एट होम एंड लेट मी नो हाउ इट वॉज। शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल।